one take of this and we're just gonna let it roll. I am Honey of Isis, and again today we are going to keep it rolling with the spiritual journey in which, we rocking, the real ones are rocking with, okay? And today I'm going to talk with you guys about divine feminine energy. And this will be pointing more to my ladies, but men are also needed to have the balance of divine masculine and divine feminine energies. Now, I'm going to talk with you guys about what it is first, and you know what I'm saying, like, divine feminine energy, it's just this essence of true power and true understanding of, like, womanhood, embracing being a woman, understanding the power of us as women, and as just that, it's that red essence, okay? The red essence. That's why the lights in the background are purple, because when you have that red essence of the feminine, the feminine aspects, and the woman is the quirks of the sensitivity and harmonious essence of energy. That red, those are like the characteristics that you have. And then you got your blue, which is that masculine energy, that hardness, that sternness, that bluntness, that strong sense of energy mixed together. And you got what? You got your purple, my guy. And that's both of them put together. And that's that balance right there that we as spiritual beings, and this is why it's important, we as spiritual beings need to have those mixes that mix together, that balance of both of them together, because that completes us as, regardless of either gender, the male or female gender. When you have that balance, you have that power, you have that will to really and truly have the aspects of yourself and your consciousness really and truly showing, without any type of, hidden limit to yourself. Now, back to the divine feminine energy, I really want to touch base on this because it's important, especially for our ladies, because like nowadays I'm really seeing a lot of women, wanting to have this strong, I'm like a man type of mindset, type of energy, but we can't do that. That's not the natural nature of a woman, and that's something that we need to really and truly get back to, work on, and embrace, you know what I'm saying? And speaking from experience, I really tried growing up, and especially in my teen years of reaching womanhood, I really thought that being like this alpha, strong, independent, I don't need no fucking man type of mentality, like that's not gonna get you to where you truly want to be. With the laws of nature, having a great man and having a great woman equals power and equality, and especially when both of those energies mix and are respected. That's that shine right there that truly is needed when it comes to, spiritual consciousness. Now, a way for you to be able to truly embrace and find and discover and explore your divine feminine energy is, first of all, look at you. My ladies, look at you. You have your breasts, you have your vagina. That's cool and all, but that's not all that makes you a woman. And you just gotta discover truly with your essence, embrace your features, embrace what you have, embrace the natural nature of your true self as a woman. We don't just fertilize, we don't just have babies, but we have that magic of nurture and harmony in ourselves. And these are things in which a woman truly, if she understands herself, will have these natural aspects embraced by herself, for herself, And these are ways in which, divine feminine energy fits for that woman, You have that, but you also have your masculine energy of taking care of shit, of handling shit, But the man is who leads, the woman is who submits. You know what I'm saying? And with that balance, nothing can stop you, motherfuckers. Nothing can stop you. And you have to avoid people from dragging you back down into what they want. That's how your divine feminine energy gets depleted and drained, And you truly need to keep yourself in line as a woman. Fuck these fuck boys, fuck these niggas that don't truly appreciate who you are. But there's a man out there that does. And let me tell you, that one in there, that's the only one. Simple. And I hope you ladies can understand where I'm coming from. You know what I'm saying? I'm just here to lead you to truly the truth of who we truly are as women, and who you truly have to be, regardless of any gender, with this energy. And I hope you guys fully see where I'm coming from. Y'all have a great one. Again, peace, love, and light. Honey Advice is out.